In the previous video, we learned how to arrange elements using column and row layouts. In this video, we're taking our interface one step further by introducing tabs, a powerful way to organize content into separate sections within the same app. Let's start with a single tab. Right now, we are creating a tabs layout that contains only one section called Home. Inside this tab, we place a simple vertical layout with a title and a button. Think of this like creating a clean, minimal homepage for your application. Let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. As you can see, we now have a tab at the top labeled Home, and when we click on it, we see our home page content with a blue button inside. Even with just one tab, you can already see how this structure can help organize different parts of an app. Now that we understand the basic idea, let's make things more interesting by adding a couple more tabs. Instead of having only Home, we're going to create a Settings tab and a Profile tab as well. Each tab will contain its own layout and widgets, just like separate mini pages inside our application. In the Settings tab, we place a toggle switch that could represent something like dark mode, while in the Profile tab, we add a button for saving changes. These tabs allow us to group related functionality together in a clear and intuitive way. Let's run this version and take a look. Now we see three tabs at the top: Home, Settings, and Profile, and we can switch between them smoothly. Each tab shows different content without reloading the page, which is exactly what makes tabs so useful for dashboards and multi-section applications. With this, you've learned how to structure your app using tabs in Panel. In the next video, we'll continue exploring more layout tools and interactive features to make your Python web apps even more powerful and polished.